Ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to do skin retouching and also frequency separation with this picture here. First of all, we start by hitting on Ctrl+J to duplicate the picture here. Okay, first to remove the blemish, so we're going to select our spots, the patch tool here to remove. So you circle on it and push it to a place that don't have any blemish. So we are removing the pimples by circling on it one by one. So we remove the pimples on the face to remove the pimples on the face to replace it with the skin that does not have any. So at this point we are done with removing all the blemish on the face. So what we'll do is we create another layer by hitting on Ctrl+J on the keyboard. Name the top layer skin, name the down layer color, hide the top layer and select the color. Come to filter and select blur, Gaussian blur. Take the radius down to 0. Make sure you select the face, part of the face that has a lot of texture. So I will choose the nose here. Take the nose have a lot of texture. The forehead. So I will increase to see there. So I will choose 7. Let's choose 6. 6 is okay. So now check the skin, come to image, choose apply image. Here on the layer, make sure you choose color. The channel should be RGB. The blending mode, let's choose subtract, and also the preserve transparent should be unchecked, max should be unchecked, scale should be 2. Remember, on 8-bit picture the scale should be 2, the offset should be 128, and the preview should be checked, the invert should be unchecked. Hit OK. Now let's come to the blending mode here and choose linear light. Group them by holding on Control on the keyboard and select the 2. Right click and choose group from layers. You can name it frequency. Hit OK. Now expand the folder. On your tool, go there and choose your mixture brush here. Make sure you choose clean brush. The weight should be 10, the load should be 75, Mr. 90, flow should be 900. Now choose your size of your brush and also make sure the hardness is 0. Make sure you choose soft round brush. Then make sure you choose your color picture and uncheck the skin. We are painting on it. Make sure you take a good direction so that the face will not be paralyzed. So we paint on the face slowly. We paint on the face slowly. We paint on the face slowly. Make sure you take a direction, a good direction on the face. Don't just do it anyhow. Hold and paint on it. Hold and paint on it. Take a good direction. So let's see, this was before and now. You are not done it with it. Let's continue. Take each part and paint. Take each part and paint. Don't just do it anyhow. So take your time and do it. You can reduce the brush if you think it's too big for you. And, remember not to paint on the eyebrow. Don't paint on the eyebrow. And also don't paint on the eyes. Let's do the same to the neck. Make sure you paint in a good direction with a slow speed. No need to rush. Going through separation and also mixture brush. So we take it slowly. We take it slowly. You can increase the brush if you think the brush is small. So we do the painting. Remember not to paint on the edges. Just paint in the picture. Don't paint on the edges. Also don't paint on the hair. Only the picture that we are working on. So you can see before and now. So at this point, what we'll do is select our color layer and choose our lasso tool here and circle, select part of the skin, go to filter, Gaussian blur, go to filter blur, Gaussian blur. We choose 6, so we have to multiply it by 3. So at this point I'll use 20 is okay. Face. Select another part of the face, go to Gaussian blur, select it. Let's select the face at this time. The face is selected, so maybe 20. Let's select the nose. Let's select the nose. Very important to select the nose too. The nose is flat when you add the Gaussian blur, so let's reduce it to 50, which is the feed. We are feeding the Gaussian blur so that the nose will not be flat. The picture, let's select The reason why we are selecting it one by one is not to make the picture too flat. So some places cannot be selected, so we come to the neck. Select, give it gush. Let's select this part. Make sure to follow from beginning to end so that you will not miss any part of the video. Select the body, give it. We are still using the 20 that we chose from 1/6. So now, at this point, you can see before and now, before and now. So now what we'll do is make sure we pop up, make sure that this picture pop up. So we go here and choose levels. Raise the bar a little. Raise the bar a little. The picture is too wide. We want the picture to pop up. Okay. But we make sure the pop-up is applied on all the pictures. So what we'll do is hit on Ctrl plus I on the keyboard to invert, and we choose our brush. That we paint on the picture alone. We want it to apply on only the picture, not the whole canvas. So, yeah, only painting on the picture. With this one, you can paint on the eyes the way. So you can see before, after. We are not done. We have to create another. We have to create another level. So we come here. Choose levels again. This time we are not going to use. What we'll do is hold on Alt and push. Hold on Alt and push the layer 1 on it and replace it. Make sure you select the level 2 and hit on Ctrl plus I to invert. Now select the manual here and make sure you push these things up. You want the picture to pop up. So this was before and this now. This was before and this now. So at this point we can still increase the texture and also the brightness on the face by selecting our color and go to filter and choose camera raw filter to continue the enhancement, the retouching. So wait for the camera roll to open. So now as the camera roll is open, you can manipulate some of the works here. Give it a little bit exposure. The contrast, we give it a little bit contrast second. It's okay. The blacks should be down. The texture, we can reduce the texture. We can reduce the texture. Yes. Reduce the texture a little. So we hit. Okay. Yeah. So you can see before and now. Before and now. Yeah. So we are done with frequency separation and also screen retouching. If at all you like the video, please hit the subscription button for you to support me to bring more of this video. Thanks for watching.